Look at the experimental data above and explain if the reaction has stopped. Well, this is the graph for the experimental data it's talking about, and this graph is the volume of gas given off every 30 seconds when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid. So we're expected to look at this and say if the reaction has stopped. Now, rate of reaction graphs are always the same. When the gradient is steep, the reaction has a quick rate. The rate is very fast. So that is always at the beginning of the reaction because that's when there's lots of particles present. So when the reaction is progressing, the gradient starts to decrease as time goes by, so you always get a curve. And at the end of the reaction, when the reaction has stopped, the gradient will be 0. Okay, so in other words, the curve will be horizontal. So what we're looking for here is at the end of this curve, at the end of this graph, is the gradient 0. And it's not. It's actually poking upwards here. It's still on an upward trajectory. So if we put a ruler on that, hopefully you can see the ruler is not flat. It's actually going upwards. So this reaction has not finished. It would have finished if, and it hasn't, if the curve was flat. And that is flat. Ruler on that would be flat, whereas here, when we put the ruler on that point, on the trend of the data, the ruler is pointing upwards. So the answer is no. Look at the experiment data above and explain if the reaction has stopped. The answer is no. The reaction has not stopped. The curve is not flat. And there's our answer. All these questions and more on elsham-high chemistry.com.